Hey guys, how's it going? How to switch from professional account to personal on Instagram. Launch the Instagram app. Go to your profile at the bottom right. Okay, click the three horizontal lines at the top right, and then just scroll down to find in the account type. Let me try to find it somewhere along here. No, not here. And you will see it somewhere here, right? Account privacy, no. Okay, if you didn't find it here because I already switched it to a professional account, you could just go ahead and click your profile and then just go ahead to professional dashboard right here. If you want to switch it, go ahead and click the settings gear at the top right, and then go ahead and click switch account type, and then switch to a personal account, and your account will be switched to personal account. Let's turn on the comments of this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.